Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some mighty machines and covering what they do. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. First up, we have the Bale Boss 4. It is a round bale carrier capable of carrying up to 4 large bales. It is ideal for vast feedlots where bales need to be hauled daily. The self-loading design of the Boss 4 allows the user to easily spear a stack of bales and lower them into place. 4 bale spears drop from the rear of the bed when raised, allowing the user to spear the bottom bale and lift the stack when the bed is lowered. The belt drive from the tractor's PTO and the flail rotor easily chops through bales. Other standard features include dual apron chains, belt drive with tensioner, distribution chute, adjustable hitch, and tongue height. It is compatible with 120 to 250 horsepower tractors. Next, we have the Rockage Post Driver. Yantai Raka Machinery designed this attachment tool for skid steers. Its hydraulic hammer strikes the top of the post with a high impact force, which drives it into the ground. Wire holders are also available from Yantai. Workers can keep fencing wire or mesh in place while driving fence posts into the ground using a combination of the post driver and the holder. This combination makes agricultural fence installation simple and reduces installation time substantially. Up next, we have the cable plow system from FOECK. This unique system was designed to lay pipes and cables. It consists of 2 units, the winch unit and the insertion unit. The winch unit is deployed ahead, and it tugs the insertion unit. The insertion unit consists of a plow or ripper. As it is dragged, the plow enters the ground. While doing so, it also lays the pipe or cable. This system can work perfectly on almost any terrain. It can lay multiple pipes in one go and install 10 kilometers of cable or pipe in a day with a max depth of 2.8 meters. So far, more than 450,000 kilometers of cables and pipes have been laid worldwide by this system. Next, we have the Suffel SmartSkidder. It is designed to transport logs and wood from a forest to a landing location or processing facility. The skidder is compact, maneuverable, and efficient, making it perfect for rugged terrains and confined areas. It is fitted with a unique hydraulic system that allows it to transport logs quickly and efficiently. The system consists of 2 hydraulic cylinders linked to the frame of the skidder and a set of rollers attached to the rear of the machine. The cylinders push the frame forward when a log is put on the rollers, causing the rollers to spin and the log to travel along the ground. The delivery technique is efficient and reduces forced floor damage. Up next is the KEMROC KDS50. It is equipped with a diamond saw blade with a 1.5 meter diameter for cutting steel, concrete, reinforced concrete, rock, and fiber-reinforced plastic. It can be mounted to any excavator weighing 15 to 25 tons. With its maximum operational hydraulic pressure of 350 bar, the KDS50 turns with a torque of 721 Newton meters, while its highest speed is 2,000 RPM. Here, the KDS50 disassembles a Boeing 707. The Boeing 707 seen in this video was a decommissioned one. After 15 years of service, it retired to a life of being used for educational and filmmaking purposes before being disassembled. Up next, we have the Pavelli STV Strong. It is a vehicle transport trailer with hydraulic ramps and a movable floor. It can transport a variety of vehicles, including automobiles, trucks, buses, tractors, and more, and has a carrying capacity of up to 30 tons. Its low loading angle and large ground clearance make it appropriate for challenging terrain. It also boasts a hydraulic steering mechanism that enables safe and easy maneuverability. STV Strong is built to be long-lasting, dependable, and simple to use. These trailers are available with 2 or 3 axles. Next, we have the DEWULF CP42. It is a versatile planter that covers 4 rows and features cups for planting potato crops. It is available with various customization options to adapt to specific needs. The unit is easy to use because it can prepare the seedbed, plant seeds, and level the ground all in one pass. It can map out the parcel with the help of GPS. The precision planting technology guarantees the perfect planting of seed potatoes with a uniform spacing at the proper depth and in a single line in the center of the ridge. In addition, the DEWULF CP42 can be used separately to execute location-specific planting, granulate distribution, and fertilization.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Up next, we have the MAXIMUS RAKE M14. It is a V-card rake for gathering hay and other forage crops from a field. It has V-shaped tines, which enables it to rake hay and other forage crops and lay them in a windrow or swath for subsequent collection. There are 2 sizes available, 12 and 14 rake wheels. Both variants include separate rake wheel arms with a unique double rod spring arrangement to provide continuous rake wheel pressure on the ground. The sturdy frame and adequate distance between the wheels and tires enables users to operate this equipment in demanding situations. Last but not least, we have the Conver weed harvester. It was designed to clear aquatic vegetation and floating debris from streams and lakes. Thanks to its conveyor belt technology, the Conver weed harvester collects aquatic plants and floating trash from the water's surface. The collected material is then placed in the machine's hold and can be unloaded by a hydraulic crane onto a nearby land or ship. The operator can control the conveyor's speed, direction, and depth from the cabin. Different variants of this Conver weed harvester are available based on the working depths, cutting widths, and storage capacities. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. If you did, consider subscribing. We've got plenty of more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.